Let's see how to create and customize chart in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to insert a chart or a graph into our Word document. And to do that, first click on the Insert tab. And from here, you should be able to find chart under the illustration section. Now, when you click on that, this window should pop up that will allow you to insert your chart. And from here on the side, you're going to be able to see the different charts that you can insert into your document. So let's say that we want to insert a pie chart. So let's go ahead and click on that. You'll also be able to see the different kinds of pie charts right here. Now let's click on OK. And as you can see, we now have a pie chart right there that is also divided into our data right here. Now let's say that we want to edit this data, and you should be able to see how this chart will change. Let's go ahead and change some values. And as you can see, as I change these values, the chart also gets changed. And to customize your chart, you're going to be able to click on your chart. Now let's go ahead and minimize this. And you should be able to edit your chart. For example, you can change the shadows, the glow, even the fill. And you can also add chart elements such as a title, your data labels, legends if you want to. You can also change the colors of the chart. And basically, that is how you can insert and customize your chart in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.